dinner to celebrate.
She just dropped the bomb on me that we're moving back to Arizona. I'm super ecstatic about celebratory meal. Definitely going with the pistachio crust walleye.
I went all out because he's treating me that I got the job.
I forgot my wallet.
I learned what walleye was from moving to Minnesota.
This
I thought it was chicken. Literally, I'm gonna pack up my car with my clothes and I'm gonna drive back and move back. I am so excited. We are moving back to Arizona and we will be living in Arizona in 2 weeks from today. Andre and I have something to tell you.
Let's see if you can guess.
Try to guess.
You're pregnant.
No. We will be moving back to Arizona in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks! Woo! We'll be back.
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
These vacuum bags are genius. So we're just in the middle of packing and getting things organized, and when Crystal's going to be coming down, so I'm going to drive a vehicle and she's going to fly down, and then I'm going to fly back and pick up another vehicle. And I'm booking her flight right now. Can't believe, I've never seen this before. The taxes are more expensive than the flight. Crystal and I have a sleep number bed. It's actually pretty great for moving because everything just breaks down. Put it in some vacuum sealed bags and it fits in the entire car. A king size mattress. Good morning. It is 8:50 in the morning, and in about 3-4 hours, I'm guessing I will not be seeing snow anymore. 27 hours to get to Arizona. Hit my first 100 miles. I'm rocking Crystal sunglasses. It's actually really bright out right now, and I forgot my sunglasses. It's crazy how you can drive 15 miles and literally went from snow to no snow. 200-mile mark has been reached. I am just about to the South Dakota border. We're back on the road. 300 mark, energy's good. Hi, cows. Cows, cows, cows. Moo! Cows. Holy cows. Now that's some Nebraska cows right there. Cow. That guy has so many cows, he definitely cannot name him. Me, next week, getting the Camaro out. 400-mile mark. My ears actually just popped for the first time in South Dakota here, just on the border of Nebraska. I should be in Nebraska here in about, I'd say, 20 miles. Welcome to Nebraska. Just hit the 500-mile mark. Energy level is starting to drop a little bit. I'm sure once the sun goes down. Well, that's right, y'all. 700 miles now. Only about 1,000 left to go. and just crossed the border of Colorado. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is a whole bunch of wind turbines all across here flashing red. It's officially 4:28 in the morning, Colorado time. Can't sleep anymore, so back to the road. Getting into a little fog. So I just stopped at just a trucker's rest stop right off the side of the road. Had to stretch out my kneecaps. And I just got through the fog, but you can see the fog line now behind me. It's actually pretty, it was a little intense driving through, being that it was still so dark, but I believe I'm fully out of it now. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Skip the Show Low Holbrook exit, and we're gonna go right to Flagstaff. Well, I'm all showered, cleaned up, back on the road again. Leaving Flagstaff. ETA for Phoenix is about 2.5 hours.
Gallop to Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona. Don't forget Winona, Kingston, Bursto, San Bernardino. Want you.
Gotta stretch that back. Now time to unpack the car, but I gotta say hi to Frankie first. Right now I'm just scoping out Crystal and I's possibly new apartment. We found it online, did some research, and I think we're probably gonna go with this one. So I just felt like coming over here, just scoping it out, making sure everything's okay, seeing if we like the neighborhood, and it looks pretty cool. So tomorrow I fly out at 9:20, land in Minneapolis. Back to the cold. Just got done shoveling the driveway to get the Camaro out.
Happy spring!
High heels on.
Pack up the Camaro with everything, and then we'll be picking up Jesse in the morning. And Winter Storm Wilbur. Like Charlotte's Web?
Wilbur the pig.
Yeah, Wilbur the pig. Trying to figure out the exact route to take right now. We might change direction. Our goal was to go to Mount Rushmore and then go to Vail and come through like Utah possibly, but I don't think it's gonna happen. There's a huge storm. We have officially reached South Dakota. Jesse keeps sweating for some reason and I'm shivering. It's like a Katy Perry song in here.
It's so hot and cold.
Change the route, we are now headed to Omaha. Playing a little bit of the alphabet game. I'm on Q, stuck on Q, and Jesse is way back in the beginning.
J for Jesse.
Q, quality! Quality right there! Yeah! Two toes! arrived to Denver, Colorado. Staying there. We'll see you in the morning. Well, we woke up in Denver, Colorado this morning. Jesse had a little bit of biscuits and gravy. I had a little waffle
With peanut butter?
with peanut butter. And now we're gonna drive to Vail. It's about 300 miles. Let's do it. Now rocking the two-tone. It was super interesting driving through the switchbacks. It is a little messy. We gotta feed the kid back there, he's a little hungry. I'm trying to back up and that's how dirty my camera is. We have just arrived to the Hanging Lakes. We got a 2-mile hike. We get to watch Jesse be scared of heights. Come on, Grandpa.
I don't trust that railing.
Just look over the edge.
Oh my god.
It took us about 45 minutes to get up, about 35 minutes to get down. We're back on the road again. We are going to Moab. We're going to go visit the Utah Arches. I think we have about a 2-mile hike there, and then we're going to get on the road, get down to Phoenix. I think we got 7-hour drive from Phoenix, so total travel time 9 hours. Talks about food 14 hours a day. He talks about it in his sleep, watches the Food Network, and he's not even a chef. $25 to get up, and the guy says, "We're not charging today." Oh! It took about, what, an hour?
I think so.
I accidentally turned it on my heated seat, and then while I was laughing because it's so freaking hot, he turned my heated seat back on, and I'm like, why is the seat still so hot? Hot! And we're in Arizona at 70 degrees. Oh, we officially made it. We are parked. We're getting out. But I can say I've done almost 6,000 miles now in about 8 days. A lot of traveling, but that's part of moving, baby. We're here. Getting prepped to go back to Minnesota or what?
I can do this when I get home. This is what I do on my off days in Minnesota.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
TT's finally in Arizona. Today is move-in day. I got the keys. So you see all these stairs? We have to go up 3 stories of stairs to move in, no elevator. It's echoing! Kitchen, living room, bathroom, bedroom, patio. Tyler has arrived with with Starbucks.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll just hit my knee.
He's ready to move. Got everything moved up, 3 flights of stairs. Now it's time to put some of the stuff together. And now it's time to go pick up the couch. It's 3 stories, here we go. New apartment, new couch. Just right when you think you're done moving in, you have to go buy more stuff.